Welcome to this video on finding clinical practice guidelines in the nursing database CINAHL. First, let's review how to get to the database CINAHL. From the library's homepage, select Library Databases. Under Subjects, scroll down and select Nursing, and hit Search. Scroll down until you find CINAHL Ultimate. Click the link to open CINAHL. Once in CINAHL, place your topic in the search bar. Below the search bar is a list of filters that you can use to limit your search results. Scroll down through these filters until you reach the Publication Type menu. Open that menu and scroll down until you see Practice Guidelines. Once you have selected that option, you can scroll back to the top of the page and click Search. Your search results will now be limited to only clinical practice guidelines. You can read clinical practice guidelines in CINAHL just like any other type of article. Choose one of the options under the Access Options button to read the full text of the clinical practice guideline. You can also find more information about the practice guideline by clicking on its title and viewing the information page about that item. Thank you for watching this video about finding clinical practice guidelines in CINAHL. If you need additional assistance, please reach out to the library via our 24/7 chat at library.csp.edu/chat, or you can email us at library@csp.edu.